Join us for a spooktacular time at the Children's Museum Houston as it transforms into Boo-seum for Halloween. Get ready for exciting activities and a fun-filled day designed for kids of all ages.
See the ghosts and the bats up there, Aubrey? Oh, you rang the doorbell? Uh-oh.
Happy Halloween!
Oh, it's pretty! He had spider feet. Oh.
Is that what you made?
Yeah. Look at that teddy bear. Look at that mermaid.
Whoa.
I put it at 0 power.
Put it at full power.
Ready?
Look at this.
Watch. Look, it's Venom.
What? They got better in real life. Wait. They got better in real life in 2025? Wait. Whoa, that's actual Venom. Well, at least they can't infect you because it's just hiding in there.
Who would have known they got Venom here for Halloween?
Venom's actually really dangerous.
Yeah.
Well, that one looks a lot cooler. Sorry.
If you're looking for a howling good time this Halloween, be sure to check out the Children's Museum Houston Boo-seum.